In this video, we're going to learn how to convert the vowels in a string to uppercase letters. The first thing we'll do is make a test string. So we'll have car test is equal to, let's make a test string. Now because we're working with strings, let's include the string.h library. So we can use the string length function, strlen, to find the length of the string. Let's also include the C-type library. The C-type library includes functions toUpper and toLower, and these functions allow us to convert a letter to an uppercase letter or to a lowercase letter. The library also includes the functions isUpper and isLower that allow us to check whether a letter is uppercase or lowercase. We'll create a function to perform the conversion for us. We'll call the function convertVowels, and the function will accept the string as an argument. The function has a void return type because the function itself is not going to return something. It's just going to modify the string that is passed. So we'll copy this and we'll supply a definition of the function down here. And the first thing we'll do is find the length of the string by using the string length function strlen. So we'll have int length is equal to strlens. So the strlen function is going to find the length of the string, not including the special null terminator character that ends the string. It's going to return that length, and we're going to store it into length. That's going to allow us to create a loop with a counter variable, and we can have that counter variable go from 0 up until the length of the string. So we could have the counter variable start here and check this index, and then check this index, and then check this index, all the way to the end of the string. So here we'll have for int I is equal to 0, I is less than length, I++. So this counter variable I is going to go over each index of the string. And now, inside the loop body, we want to check to see if the character at the index I is a lowercase vowel. And if it is, we want to convert it to an uppercase vowel. So the first thing we'll do is check to see if the character is a lowercase letter using the isLower function. So we'll have if isLower, and we'll pass it the character in the string at the index I. So the isLower function is going to return true if the character in the string at the index I is a lowercase letter. Otherwise, it's going to return false. So inside this if statement body here, we know that the character is a lowercase letter. Now we'll check to see if it's a vowel. So we'll have if the character at the index I is equal to A, or the character is equal to E, or the character is equal to I, or the character is equal to O. So we'll have S at the index I is equal to O, or the character at the index I is equal to U. So if it's one of these characters, it's a vowel. And if it is, we're going to convert it to an uppercase letter. We'll use the toUpper function to do that. So we'll have toUpper, and we'll pass it the character in the string at the index I. The toUpper function is going to take that letter and convert it to an uppercase letter. It's going to return that uppercase letter. We can store that uppercase letter back into the string at the index I to replace the current lowercase letter. So we'll have s at the index I is equal to the return value of toUpper when it's called with s at the index I. And the function should now be complete. We're using this loop here with the counter variable I going from 0 up until the length of the string to look at each character in the string. If that character is a lowercase letter, and if it's a vowel, we take it and turn it into an uppercase letter, and we replace that character in the string with that uppercase letter. So let's try this function out. Up here, we'll call convertVowels, and we'll pass it our test string. Then we'll put the test string after the conversion. So we'll have test:% %s\n, and we'll put the test string. So we can save this, compile, and run our program. And we can see the vowels in our string have been converted to uppercase letters. So our function does work. So this is how we can convert the vowels in a string to uppercase letters using C. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers, including courses to help you develop C programming projects.